Hi there, students. A pergola. A pergola. Okay, this is normally a passageway where outside where you've got columns and there are beams that go over the top, but the top is open, and then you've got plants that climb up the sides and over the top, and they give you a walkway which is covered in climbing plants. It could be covered in roses or a million different types of plants. A pergola also could be on over a patio. In Spain, it's very common to have a grapevine growing as a pergola over a patio, which keeps the sun out in summer. Okay, so a pergola. I guess a pergola is a sort of arbor, although technically an arbor is a seat with trellis. Trellis is like bits of wood that are crossed going up, and there's a seat that's part of it, and you've got a nice green place to sit and hold your sweetheart's hand. Okay, but a pergola. An outdoor garden feature, normally a shaded walkway or a sitting area, and they're vertical posts and pillars and then cross beams, and the top is an open lattice, and then you grow plants over that to cover it. So this will provide shade in summer and maybe a little bit of cover when it's raining as well. Okay, so a pergola is a very pretty feature. Sir Edwin Lutyens and Gertrude Jekyll both used pergolas in their designs. Okay, so a pergola, normally it's a wooden or metal structure that the plants can grow over, that will provide you somewhere that is shaded to walk or to sit. Sitting under a pergola is in summer, sipping a cold drink is going to be one of the nicest things that you could do. So pergola, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. I would say it's a little bit on the formal side, but it defines what it is, so use it anywhere. And then as to origin, I believe this word comes from Italian pergola, which talks about a projecting roof, from pergere, to come or go forward. Okay, so a pergola, a projected roof. Yeah, and this is a roof that's covering something, but it's like a roof of a green roof to keep off the sun. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pergola.